Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to reset your phone realme narzo N55. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So if you want to reset your phone, at first you have to move on your setting. When you move on your setting, here is the search option. You can search the reset option, okay, if you want the direct out. Okay, so I'm just scrolling down. You just keep scrolling, and here on the down you can see the option of the additional setting. So just click on additional setting. When you move on the additional setting, from here again you have to scroll on the down. You just keep scrolling, and friends, here you can see the backup and reset option, the last option. Okay, so here you have to click on the backup and reset. When you move on the backup and reset, so friends, before you are resetting your phone, please try to back up your data, okay, so that you won't lose your documents files. Okay, so this is the backup my data. Just turn on this one, and here your data will be backup. Okay, it will be restored by itself. Okay, then after you have finished the backup only, here you have to move on the reset phone. The last option is the reset phone. So just click on the reset phone. When you click on the reset phone, here you can see the reset all settings, erase all data. But don't click on reset all settings. We want to reset the phone. So in the last option you can see the erase all data. It means the reset to factory setting. We want to reset the phone, not only the settings or not only the network. Okay, so here you have to click on the erase all data. After that, here you have to confirm your screen lock. When you confirm your screen lock, here you can see the option of the erase data. So friends, here you have to click on the erase data, and here it says, are you sure want to continue? This will erase all data, cannot be undone. So click on erase all data, and here your phone will be erased. Okay, see, it is erasing. Okay, so friends, you can erase your mobile phone easily like this. Okay, and when it is resetting, please like my video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so here it has been on right now, and it says format data because we back up our data. Okay, that's why it's formatting. And here again it's written powered by Android. You just keep waiting. Okay, when it's resetting your mobile phone, don't click here and there. No need to click, it will do by itself. Okay, so don't click here and there. Okay friends, see, it has been reset. Okay, it's realme. Friends, here you can see it's taking time. Okay, but don't click here and there, it will load by itself. Okay, it's taking almost the 30 seconds or 20, I mean not second, yeah, 20 seconds almost like that. Okay, but if it is 2 minutes or 3 minutes, please try to wait. Okay, when it is resetting your mobile phone. Okay friends, here friends, it has finished to load. After that, okay, it has finished to reset your mobile phone, and friends, here it says next. Okay, you just click on next, and here your mobile phone will be reset already. Okay, you just click on next, and just keep your mobile phone set up. Okay, if you don't know how to set up, you can watch my videos. If I set up right now, it will be take too much time. Okay, that's why I'm not going to set up. Okay, so friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, like the video, share the video, and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.